Vanheede Environment Group is an environmental management company with more than 40 years' experience in the field of waste collection, processing and disposal. In addition, a part of the company's activities is devoted to environmental advice and engineering for third parties. The group is one of the top waste management companies in Belgium and northern France. The company is active at a number of different locations, strategically spread throughout its operational area. Vanheede employs more than 500 people. Within its professional structure and international ambitions, Vanheede Environment Group offers a range of quality services to a growing number of companies and local government authorities. As a modern environmental management company, Vanheede is fully aware of its social responsibilities. In this area, we seek to pursue an open and creative policy, sustainable business, a corporate vision which combines all relevant social, economic and ecological aspects, is a key concept for the Vanheede Group. It is essential that the impact of our activities is kept to an absolute minimum, not only for the current generation but also for the future. Vanheede Environment Group has become specialized in the efficient collection, removal and sorting of more than 1,200 different types of waste products. It carries out these tasks for companies of all sizes. In recent years, we have become aware that more and more of our customers need a project-based approach to their waste management problems. Quality, safety and environmental friendliness are terms which have assumed an increasing importance in the business world. At the same time, the legislation dealing with waste management has become ever more complex. This makes good environmental advice and good environmental service an absolute necessity for today's modern company. In addition to the external collection and transportation of waste, we can also help to optimize the logistics of a company's internal waste flow by reorganizing the in-house collection and sorting procedures on the customer's own premises. The processing of the waste we collect is constantly screened and constantly being improved. Completion of all necessary waste administration on behalf of the customer is also a part of our service. This process of integral waste management is monitored from start to finish by one of our project managers, who can take any corrective measures which may be necessary. This type of cooperation allows our customers to concentrate their valuable time and resources on their own key tasks. Our company does not simply focus on non-hazardous waste. The collection, treatment and processing of hazardous waste is also part of our service. Tackling environmental problems at source has been a Vanheede speciality for many years. Our intervention team has the knowledge and equipment to assist with all your groundwater and decontamination needs. In addition, we also have a fully licensed installation to store and process any contaminated materials which may be produced by operations of this kind. The sorting and collection of both hazardous and non-hazardous waste products is only the first step in a process designed to maximize the recycling of the waste flow, or at the very least, to ensure its optimal processing. Our own internal recycling facilities allow Vanheede to convert maximum amounts of waste products back into a useful and usable form. This recycled waste becomes a new source of raw materials for external production-based companies. In this manner, waste glass is reused to make new bottles, insulation materials and other products. Waste plastics are used to make new granules with a very specific composition. Green organic waste is transformed into compost. Old cardboard is turned into paper. Non-recyclable waste is also put to good use as a source of secondary fuel, which can be used in place of more traditional fossil fuels. In this manner, for example, we can process textile and plastic waste to produce fuel pellets, which are ideal for use in the cement and lime industries. This allows large quantities of fossil fuels to be saved. The professional management of our landfills makes full use of the very latest techniques for the collection and storage of dump gas, which is then used to create heat and electricity. As a result, our landfills have an added value as bioreactors. The knowledge which we have gained from these processes has been employed in the construction and operation of our own industrial fermentation plants, which are used for the conversion of organic waste. The installation at KV is capable of processing 50,000 tons of packed and unpacked organic waste each year, and is therefore one of the largest and most efficient facilities in the sector. The heat created is used for a number of other industrial processes on site. Most of the resulting electricity is transferred to the mains network. In total, we produce enough electricity to meet the needs of almost 6,000 families. We have even gone a step further by installing made-to-measure, key-in-the-door fermentation facilities for a number of our industrial customers. In this way, we are able to honour our commitment to guarantee the environmental future for the next generations by making our own ecological footprint as small as possible. With this aim in mind, we are also making significant investment in green energy in the shape of windmills and solar collection panels. This allows us to make optimal use of some of the abundant resources which nature has given us. The store of valuable experience which we have built up through the years is now being put to good use for the development of new ideas and investments. Our engineers and technicians are working on plans for new techniques and new working procedures, which will further help us to maintain our policy of sustainable business. It is not our intention simply to use this knowledge of sustainable business within our own company group. We are happy to contribute our expertise to external industrial projects at home and abroad. By the term sustainable business, we do not just mean respect for our planet, but also respect for our fellow man, our personnel, our neighbours, our customers and suppliers, and the government. In this sense, our members of staff reflect present-day society in all its wide cultural diversity. Moreover, our search for sustainability is not simply a vision for the here and now, but is first and foremost a vision for our children and our grandchildren. They must enjoy the fruits of our current labours. Investing in sustainable business with long-term vision will ensure that our high-quality service can be guaranteed far into the future. In this way, planet, people and profit form the basis of our business philosophy. The passion of the Vanheede Environment Group for doing what is best for people will ensure that economic, ecological and social interests are seamlessly merged in a highly professional manner. Vanheede Environment Group wishes to be a sustainable company which offers its customers efficient and lasting solutions in the fields of waste and environmental management. By means of a qualitative, professional and innovative approach, it is our intention to create a clear added value for all our stakeholders. Vanheede Environment Group is working actively for a better future, a future in which economy and ecology go hand in hand, to create a greener, pleasanter and more sustainable world for us all.